Welcome to Xado X'otix channel. I'm Xno'kai Frozt Chief Executive Officer, owner, founder, and sales rep. Here on Xado X'otix, we're going to post tutorials of how we make our products and how we ship our products, customer testimonials, promos, etc. Our purpose on this channel is dialogue between us and our consumers, supporters, and associates. Overallly, we call Xado Mob. What is Xado X'otix? I've made Xado X'otix with purpose. Our purpose is to help individuals look, feel, smell, and appreciate themselves with a new light. Xado X'otix is a bath and beauty business. When was Xado X'otix established? Xado X'otix was made in DC, Washington, DC, 2020. A goal to express art, generate income, offer affordable bath and beauty products with more ways to help people. We value growth, craftsmanship, making honest relationships, patience, and trust. Why was Xado X'otix made? When we get our urge to ask why Xado X'otix came about, we get to say our piece. In 2020, our oldest son, my children's mother, and I was living in a tent expecting our youngest son. Making what little we had work. We had to make a way for our children to have more. When our oldest son was brought into our world, I thought I had a thought of working with plants. That thought led to herbalism. From herbalism, it led to bath and beauty. Grateful having knowledge of plants, we're able to make a way for us to eat. Our youngest son, happy, healthy, walking, now 1-year-old, was birthed. I've made Xado X'otix for a circumstance, for those individuals that share our experience, possibly more. Thanks. Xado X'otix has become a life-changing opportunity. Something I can really say saved my life and helped save the lives of our children. From what work I have established, I put in, or I've made so far, I have had happy customers. I have had customers come back and were very pleased with our products, our services, and overall their experience. Thanks for watching. See you later.